So we've just launched a brand new range of products in our Z range. It's a new chassis, and within that chassis we've got 3 lamp models, which range from 5,800 lumens to 7,500 lumens. And we've also got 3 laser models, which range from 5,800 to 7,000 lumens. All LCOS technology, but for us this brand new design has a centrally mounted lens, which means it's easier for system integrators to install. 5 of the lenses are the same lenses that we've had on our installation models already, but we've got a brand new unique lens to the market in this range. All 6 lenses fit with a new spigot mounting mechanism, so it's just push the lens in, lock the lens down with a spigot. It's really solid, but the new unique lens has a 0.54 to 1 throw ratio. It has in its expanded mode, a -90 to +90 lens shift. And it also has a marginal focus function, which is great for domed planetariums. You can keep the focus pin sharp in the middle and pin sharp right to the edges. Well, because you've got this wide range of lenses and options, this could be used in corporate, in medical, this could be used in the boardroom. We're seeing lots of creative installations in museums and art galleries, simulation, domed again for planetarium use. So there's a huge range that we've got because the new chassis covers lamp, laser. We've built a whole load of features in there as well, which are for different markets, and a whole load of features which will also help the system integrator. Well, the feedback on the new chassis has been really, really positive, and strangely a mix of both those people liking the lamp and the laser, when we thought there would have been much more towards the laser. But on our stand this year, we've also partnered with quite a few people to show that we can provide the optic quality for a solution, but we also want to partner with others to ensure that we help the end user create the solution they need.